Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unravel the secrets hidden within corporate filings, perhaps uncovering a few lucrative repurchase programs along the way before we dive into Emerson. Electric's latest report, make sure you are subscribed and join our Discord community for more insights like this linked in the description below. Alright, let us get straight into it today. We are looking at Emerson Electric Co.'s current report form 8K filed on the 5th of November 2025, but the earliest event reported is the 3rd of November 2025. This is essentially a snapshot of crucial events impacting the company that are too important to wait for their regular quarterly report. Emerson Electric Company, known as EMR, is a global technology and engineering company. They make products for a wide range of industries, from industrial automation to climate technologies, and also home appliances. Think of the smart thermostats in your home, or the complex systems that run factories. Emerson is likely involved. Now, the big news here: on the 5th of November 2025, Emerson announced a significant new share repurchase program authorization. The board of directors has given the green light for a repurchase of up to 50 million shares of its common stock. This is a pretty substantial number, and it is planned to happen over the next several years. This repurchase authorization is in addition to an existing one from March 2020, which still has about 20 million shares remaining. This essentially means they have quite a bit of firepower to buy back their own stock. So what does this repurchase mean for investors? Well, when a company buys back its own shares, it reduces the total number of shares outstanding. This can have a few effects. Firstly, it can increase the earnings per share because the same profit is now divided among fewer shares, making each share theoretically more valuable. Secondly, it signals confidence from management that the company believes its stock is undervalued and that buying it back is a good use of their cash. The report also mentions that on the 5th of November 2025, Emerson released its fourth quarter and full year results. This press release is attached as an exhibit to this filing, and it is where we can dig into the actual financial performance. The company states that references to underlying orders in the press release refer to a trailing 3-month average orders growth versus the prior year, excluded in currency and significant business changes. This is a common way for companies to show the underlying health of their sales trends. Like many companies, Emerson also uses what are called non-GAAP financial measures. These are ways of presenting financial performance that exclude certain items the company believes are not representative of its core business operations. While they can be useful for a clearer picture of ongoing performance, investors should always look at the GAAP generally accepted accounting principles figures too, to get the full story and ensure they are truly comparable to other companies. As usual with these filings, we see a section dedicated to forward-looking statements. These are basically educated guesses about the future based on current information. The company cautions that actual results could be very different from these predictions. They mention a lot of risks and uncertainties like global conflicts, economic conditions, market demand, cybersecurity, and inflation. These are all important factors that could impact Emerson's future performance. Back to the share repurchase. On the 5th of November 2025, Emerson Electric Co. announced its board of directors authorized the company to repurchase up to 50 million shares of its common stock over the next several years. This authorization is in addition to the 60 million share repurchase authorization approved in March of 2020, which has approximately 20 million shares remaining available. The shares can be bought in open market or private deals. The exact timing, price, and amount will be decided by management based on market conditions. But they also say these purchases could be suspended anytime, and the repurchased shares can be used for employee benefit plans or other company needs. This gives them flexibility. Now let us talk about the actual business performance. The press release attached as Exhibit 99.1 gives us the most critical numbers for Emerson's fourth quarter and full year results. While the filing itself does not contain the detailed financial tables, we can infer from the context that this is where the substantial revenue and profit figures would be located. The fact that they are authorizing a significant buyback suggests they are confident in their ability to generate cash flow and maintain profitability. In essence, this Form 8K from Emerson Electric Co. is a notification of two key events: a financial earnings release and a substantial new share repurchase authorization. The repurchase program signals management's belief in the company's value and its ability to generate shareholder returns. The financial results, whether good or bad, will provide the underlying justification for these decisions. So now looking at these results more broadly, Emerson Electric Co. is a titan in its field. With a diverse portfolio of businesses, the new repurchase program certainly paints a picture of fiscal strength and confidence from leadership. However, it is always crucial to look beyond the headlines. When a company repurchases stock, it can artificially boost earnings purse hair making them look better than they might otherwise. Investors should always compare these buybacks to organic growth and profitability trends. The risks mentioned, such as global conflicts and economic conditions, are very real and can significantly impact a company like Emerson that operates globally. The challenge for Emerson will be to navigate these external headwinds while continuing to innovate and deliver value to its customers and shareholders. Alright, that is our deep dive into Emerson Electric's latest filing. What is your take on this new repurchase authorization and what it might mean for the company's stock price? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more regular corporate breakdowns. Don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description for even more exclusive content. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.